I'm Tim from Toy Tinker Tim, and this episode on getting that yellowed look out of your vintage white plastic toys is actually an excerpt from a full-length video I did on restoring a Mattel Battlestar Galactica Colonial Viper, but I felt like the information was really important enough to share separately on its own. You can see the full episode in the link included here. You can see here the heavy yellowing in the plastic from where the stickers were, from exposure and time, from sunlight. But to begin here, to lighten this, we're going to start with the mix, 3% hydrogen peroxide. We've got a 32-ounce bottle of that. And I'm using then the OxyClean. This is the multi-use formula. It can be used for laundry and as a stain fighter on other household items. This mix will all be going together into a glass jar. It's large enough to hold all the pieces, and you need it to be glass for this process. So this is the formula I used. If you make it stronger or leave it exposed to sunlight longer, you run the risk of the plastic becoming pitted and brittle. So use this at your own risk. The ingredients have been mixed together and stirred, and the jar is placed now in direct sunlight. See here, about an hour into the process, there's already a chemical reaction going on, and the plastic is beginning to whiten. Here's a look again at the pieces before. And here they are after the cleaning. Taking a good look individually at the pieces, you can see the harshness of the yellowing is gone. It's pretty dramatic. There is a faint bit of yellow on the ship's body on the sides near the seams, but it's a night and day difference from where it was. Please consider subscribing to help show your support for the channel here at Toy Tinker Tim, and thanks for watching.